Hello, my name is Blanca Stella, and if not, welcome back. I have a giveaway going on in my Instagram. I'm giving away a Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette by Jeffree Cosmetics, and I'm also giving away ColourPop's new California Love collection. So if you guys want to enter to win it, you can go into my Instagram. It is going to end on the 19th. So if you guys want to enter, go to my Instagram. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe before you leave, because that is going to count as an extra entry. So there's a chance for you to get, like, I think 2 extra entries. If you're subscribed to my channel, that's 1. So if you haven't already, why not subscribe before you leave if you're going to enter the giveaway. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a foundation. Before I start off, let me just say, if I look a little pale, it's because I got the wrong shade of foundation again. You know me, and I try to bronze it up and everything, but I still think I look pale. I look pale in the viewfinder, but I don't know how it's gonna look when I actually start editing it, so I'm just gonna put that out there. Okay, so today we're gonna be reviewing Juvia'S Place new I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it is a full coverage matte foundation. So I'm going to read you guys what it says on the packaging of the box. Our Second Skin Creamy Foundation offers a smooth application with a soft, natural, and soft matte finish to give you a flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin textures, and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and oily skin. Okay, so I've been using this foundation for 3 weeks now, and I love it, you guys. Like, I'm actually wearing it right now. It looks so nice on the skin. This is what the actual foundation looks like. I do like the packaging. I do have to say though, it retails for $20, and I think that's a little bit for $20. But then again, a little bit of this does go a long way. So if you use it wisely, you can probably get a good amount out of this. Yeah, so the first time I wore it, I did put a lot of it on just because I wasn't sure how full coverage it was gonna be, and bitch, oh my god, I regretted it. So I actually took it off and then I reapplied it with a thinner layer, and it looks so much better, because when I left the first application on, my face got really cakey and it looked really gross, but it was my fault because I put a lot of foundation on. So I took it off and I put a thinner layer, and my skin looks so nice, you guys. The finish on this foundation is really good. It is matte. You guys can see right now I've only had it on for like an hour, but like I said, I have been using it for the past 3 weeks, not every day, just a couple days of the week, and I actually really like it. I do work 10-hour shifts, and I wore it to work once, and it lasted me the whole 10-hour shifts. I usually keep my makeup on for about 12 to 13 hours on work day, just because I get ready, then I actually get to work, I work my 10 hours, then I come home and I leave it on until I take it off. And my face looked really good at the end of the day as well. I do use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, so that might be one of the reasons why it stays on. But it did not get cakey, it did not start to disappear or anything. I am really oily, so by the 5th hour or so, I did start get a little bit oily on my T-zone, but then I plotted and I was good to go. When I did get home though from work, I was really oily, and then I was actually afraid to plot, because I thought when I was gonna plot, the makeup was gonna come off. But no, I plotted and the foundation stayed right in its place, and it still looked really pretty. So I do recommend this foundation, you guys. I'm still a little bit iffy about the price, $20 for this little thing, but I mean, if you use it wisely, you can probably get a full use out of it. And I really wanted to try out the concealer, but I bought this from Ulta, and they don't have the concealers yet. And it's funny because I actually went to the store to pick it up, and I still got my wrong shade. So I was gonna do a demo, but I was in a hurry, so I didn't, but I do recommend it, especially if you have really oily skin. If you have dry skin, I don't think you're gonna like this just because it is really, really matte. It does blend out better with the brush than it does with the blender, just because it is on a thicker side, and it just looks flawless with the brush. If you do it with the beauty blender, it doesn't look as good, but doesn't look bad either. But it just looks better and more flawless if you do it with the brush, and it's just faster. Got the shade 620. So this is like the dried out foundation, and then when I squeeze it out, it looks a little bit lighter. So I'm thinking it oxidizes, but I'm not sure because I don't see a really big difference throughout the day. I still look the same, so I'm not sure if it oxidizes or not. But they do have it in 42 shades, and the coverage is amazing. I put on one layer and I didn't put any more because I was really full coverage. Right now I'm breaking out a lot. Right, I've had a lot of breakouts throughout here, and the pimples are gone, but I do have like the scars left. They're going away, but they're like still there, and the foundation actually covered them up. So that's like a plus plus. And yeah, it feels really comfortable. It is thick, but it doesn't feel heavy on your skin, which I really, really like. It doesn't dry down pretty fast, so you do have a good amount of time to work with it and blend it out before it actually dries down. Today, to set it, I use the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Setting Powder. So that's what I'm wearing right now, and it just looks good. Yeah. Like I said, though, it is a little bit too light. But yeah, I don't know what else I want to say about the foundation. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what else you guys want me to review. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.